China and Zambia have held a reception to mark the 60th anniversary of the arrival of the first Chinese medical team in Africa's Algeria, as well as the 45th anniversary of China-Zambia cooperation in the health sector. The Monday event also saw the bidding farewell to the 23rd Chinese medical team, as well as the welcoming of the 24th Chinese medical team and the 26th Chinese military medical expert team to Zambia. The event also saw the signing of an agreement for the donation of high-tech equipment and medical supplies to the Levi Mwanawasa University Teaching Hospital. Chinese ambassador to Zambia Du Xiaohui said the medical teams were builders of the China-Zambia all-weather friendship. He commended the teams for their fearlessness and their willingness and dedication to saving lives, not only in Zambia but Africa as a whole.
Since China dispatched its first CMT to Algeria in 1963, a total of 30,000 medical personnel have treated 290 million local patients in 76 countries and regions. Over the past 6 decades, Chinese medical teams have defied danger and stayed on the front line. After the outbreak of Ebola in West Africa, China sent more than 1,200 medical workers to treat more than 800 patients and provided public health training for more than 12,000 people.
Zambian Health Minister Silvio Masabo commended China for the significant contribution made to the country's health sector over the years.
The government of the Republic of China has over the years made a significant contribution to the health sector in Zambia by providing technical support in the area of human resource, medical supplies, equipment, and infrastructure, as seen at Levi Mwanawasa University Teaching Hospital. The hospital was upgraded from a general hospital with a bed capacity of 250 initially to an ultra-modern tertiary hospital with the current bed capacity of 1,200.